Hello children, today in mathematics we will know about coins and currency notes. Okay. Before I begin with today's topic, I want to ask you one question. Do you all like to do shopping? Do you all like to go for a shopping? Yes or no? Yes, I too like. Now children, if we want to buy our favorite things, what do we need? We need money. Yes or no? Yes, we need money. And children, money is in two types, coin and currency notes. Okay. We call coin as paisa and notes as rupees. Okay children. And this is symbol of rupee. When we have to deal with money, we use this symbol. Okay. Now today in this lesson, coins and currency notes, you have to look at the pictures and you have to write the values of these notes in the given boxes. Okay. Now by seeing the picture itself, you will come to know the value of this note. And the value of this note is 100 rupees. So we will write here 100. Okay. 100. And the value of this note is 500 rupees. So write 500 in the box. Okay children. Same way we will write the value of the given coins. Okay. The value of this coin is rupee 2. 2 rupees. Okay. And the coin has a value of rupees 1. It's a 1 rupee coin. Okay. Understood? In the next exercise, you will see some notes and coins. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to write the total amount. Okay, the total amount means the total value in the empty boxes. Here one example is given. You can see here 500 rupees note, 100 rupees note and 50 rupees note is given, and in the box it is written 650 rupees. Now how we will get this rupees, means this amount? How we will get the total amount? What we have to do? We have to add the given value. Okay. That is 500 plus 100 is 600 and 600 plus 50 is total amount 650 rupees. Same way we will solve this example. Okay. Here what is given? 500 rupees note, then 200 rupees note and 150 rupee note. Along with notes, coins are also given. You can see here 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee and 1 rupee. There are 6 coins of 1 rupee. Okay. Now we will find out the total amount. 500 plus 200 rupees note is how many? 700. Okay, it is 700. And 700 plus 50? 750. And as I said you before, coins are 6. 1 rupee, 6 coins. So 6 rupees. Okay. So 500 plus 200, as there are two notes of 100, it becomes 700 plus 50 is 750 and 6 rupees when we will add, we will get total amount 750 rupee. 56 rupees, sorry, which we will write in the box. Okay. Now let's solve the next example. 500 plus 20 is 520 plus 10 530. Now 530 plus 5 is 535 rupees plus 2 rupees 537 rupees plus 1 538 rupees, and again when we add 1 rupee more it becomes 539 rupees. So we will write 539 in this box. Okay. Understood children? The next page, and that is page number 34. Okay. Now we will solve here some more examples. Now see what is given. Tony says, I have 3 notes. Their total value is 75 rupees. Means he is having 75 rupees. Okay. And how many notes he have? Only 3 notes. Then Salma says, I too have 75 rupees but I have 5 notes. Salma says, she also have 75 rupees but she is having 5 notes. Now Tony is confused. He is saying, how can that be? Okay, now let's find out how. See, these are Tony's notes. Okay, Tony has these notes. 50 plus 20 plus 5. We get 75 rupees. Okay, we will write here 75. Means Tony was having 150 rupee note, 120 rupees note and 1 5 rupees note. Now let's see Salma's notes. And Salma has these notes. 120 rupees, second 20 rupees and third 20 rupees. Means she is having 3 notes of 20 rupees, 1 of 10 and 1 of 5. So when we will add 3 notes of 20 rupees, we will get 60 rupees plus 10 70 and plus 5 75 rupees. Okay. Children, now you might have understood how they both were having 75 rupees, though they were having notes difference. Means Tony was having 3 notes and Salma was having 5 notes. Okay. Now see the next one. Sanju says, I have a 100 rupee note, 4 notes of 20 rupees, 6 coins of 1 rupee each. How much money do I have? Okay. Now Sanju is asking Raju that you have to find out the total amount. I will say you the notes and coins which I have and you will find out the total amount. Okay. So let's find out the total amount. 100 and 4 notes of 20 means 80. 180 and 6 coins of rupee 1. So 186 rupees. Okay. And Raju gives the right answer. You have 186 rupees altogether. Okay, children. Now Anita was also listening all this. So now Anita says, I have 4 notes. They are worth 170 rupees altogether. Can you guess which notes I have? Now Anita is asking, I have total 170 rupees and I have 4 notes only. So now you guess which notes I have. So which notes Anita have? 100 rupees, 150 rupees, 110 rupees and again 110 rupees means she is having 100 rupees note, 150 rupees note and 2 notes of rupee 10. Okay, 10 rupees, 2 notes she has. This way she has 170 rupees. 100 plus 50, 150 plus 10, 160 plus 10, 170. Okay, children. Can we give rupees 170 using 4 notes in any other way? Now here it is asked if we will use another notes in spite of these notes. Can we get 170 rupees? Yes or no, children? Can we get? Yes or no? Let's find out. Okay, now here instead of 100 rupees, I will take 50 rupees 2 notes. 50 and 50, it becomes 100. Instead of 100 rupee 1 note, I have taken 50 rupees 2 notes. And again I am taking one more 50 rupee note. So 50 plus 50 plus 50, it became 150 rupees. To make 170 rupees, I want 20 rupees more. So I am only having one box here now, means only one note I want. So I will take 20 rupees note. Now see, here I have changed the notes, but the value, the rupees are the same, 170. 50 plus 50 plus 50 is 150 and plus 20 means 170 rupees. Understood, children? Children, I hope you have understood today's lesson. Okay? Same way, solve the exercises given in the textbook correctly. Okay, children? Thank you.